basic controls on the JBL CSSG10 model. This is power on off. This is sensitivity plus 10 decibels, 0 decibel, and the last one is bass filter switch. You can turn on this switch to enable low cut or high pass filter. This can be used to reduce low frequency noises like handling noise, rumble, footsteps, etc. This switch does not change mid and high frequency responses. The last one is a battery indicator or a on-off indicator. This also shows when your battery is low. It turns red. That's all.